everyone. Myself, Mohammad Nasser Raza. I would like to say thanks for giving me such a great opportunity to speak. We all live in India, but earlier it is known as Hindustan. From the 1,000 miles away to the west of our country, there is another country, Saudi Arabia. There are two big cities in this country. One is Makkah and another one is Medina. Both are the holy place of Muslim. In Makkah, our holy prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, born. His father name was Abdullah and mother was Amina. His father had it before he born. He was brought up by his mother to Makkah. Then he was brought up by his grandfather Abdul Muttalib, who was the chief of Quraysh. After his death, his beloved uncle Abu Talib took care of him. He was very kind and gentle. People call him Sadiq and Amin, which means truthful and honest. From very early life, he became the symbol of truth, honest and kindness. People called him Sadiq and Amin. He spent 52 years in Makkah. In 53 years, he went to Medina. He asked people to worship the one true God. The first thing he teaching, that is safety and peace. He asked them not to do bad things like drinking, alcohol, gambling, not to tell lies and bury their daughter alive. He told them the simple way to lead a better life, world and the wood hereafter. In the age of 63, he died in Medina, but in our heart, he will always alive. He loved him very much. He told them the simple way to lead a better life, world and the wood hereafter. His kalma, which is La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Thank you.